Hey you guys, what is up? So, if you do not know who I am, hi guys, my name is Mansi and this is my YouTube channel. And as you can obviously tell that today I have no makeup on and my dark circles are looking a little bit scary today. But we are just gonna ignore that for now. Let me know what you guys think of my Diwali backdrop. I think it turned out so cute. I absolutely love this. Said that you already know that today's video is a Diwali video. I just thought it would be super fun to just sit down, chill with you guys and do like a get ready with me for Diwali video. I keep on getting so many questions regarding my makeup, so I thought it would be just like a fun video if I just take you guys through the process of how I do my makeup and just maybe share a few tips and tricks that I like to do. Also, I think this video might get a little bit too long because we have a lot of steps to cover. So now without further any more blabbering, let's just get into the video. So for my first step, I'm going in with this Becca Blacklight Priming Filter Primer. So this is like a mousse primer. I really like to use this one, especially when I'm having like some photo shoots or like festival, some event or something, because this adds like such a nice shine to your skin and makes it look like dewy. Even after applying the makeup, your skin like actually shines through, and I really like that about this primer. You can see the shine on my fingers, so yeah. For the next step, I'm going in with the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. So I'm just going to start filling in my eyebrows. Let's hope in the background he's just gonna chill. Do you guys want to know a fun fact? Actually, I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in 3 years. I do them by myself at home. So before I used to use the twinkle razor thing that I used to get, and now I've started tweezing my eyebrow hair, and I think that's so convenient. And yeah, I think I cannot trust anyone else with my eyebrows now. I can do it only by myself. Now that my eyebrows are filled in, I always like to go in with a little bit of concealer and carve the edges just to make it look a little bit more cleaner. And the concealer that I'm using is from this brand called Ilana Cosmetics. Just taking like a really tiny brush and a very little amount, and I'm gonna just start carving my eyebrows like so. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation. So I'm gonna be using two shades by Lakme. One is N220 Neutral Medium, and the other one is C390 Cool Cocoa. So I just like to mix both of them to get like my perfect shade. I actually used to use Maybelline foundation, and then after that I started using the LA Girl Pro foundation, which is also pretty good. And then I came across this Lakme foundation, and I've just been into this one ever since. I actually don't know why Lakme foundations are so underrated, because I honestly really like them. Meanwhile, I went in with the Too Faced lip injection on my lips. And for my concealer, I'm gonna be using Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. So actually, this foundation was too light for me, so I use it as my concealer. Oh yeah, I like to apply the concealer like this. So I'm also going to put that concealer a little bit on my chin and very little on my forehead, just to brighten up it a little bit. Now quickly, before my concealer starts creasing, I'm going to go in with a darker Lakme shade. I think the shade like perfectly fits my face to contour it, so that's what I use. And I will also contour my nose in a while. So before this dries out, I'm just gonna quickly start blending. Also, how is it going on for you guys? What are your plans for this pandemic Diwali? Now I just think we should quickly powder. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I don't normally like to bake my under eyes and stuff. I just like to take a little bit and dab all over my face, because I don't really have a very oily skin. I have a combination skin. I mean, of course, it does get oily after like a really long day, but normally I just have like a dry skin, so I put like very little bit of powder. I like doing this another thing where I like to just put powder under my contour, because then it will just make it look a lot more sharper. And I just quickly wipe it. I won't keep it for long. So yeah, that is my base all done. I actually really like how it turned out. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Lakme Absolute Blush Duo. I honestly love blushes and I definitely like to go overboard with them. Looks so pretty. I'm also going to apply a little bit on my nose because why not? So I don't really yet know what I want to do for the eyes, but I think I will just do my signature glam makeup look, which I do all the time. I know I'm boring. I'm just very boring. I do the same thing again and again. It's still very pretty and I wanted to do a makeup tutorial on that, so I think this should be it. I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution palette. It's called Flawless 4 if I'm not wrong. So I'm just gonna take a brown shade like this. It's a little lighter brown shade. So firstly I'm just gonna go ahead and put it very close to my lash line and then blend it upwards like so. This is gonna be like a brown smoky look, and I think I've seen a lot of celebrities do this whenever I see their Indian photo shoots, especially Deepika Padukone. So yeah, it just looks very pretty. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with an even darker brown shade and I'm gonna apply it even closer to my lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with an even darker brown and apply it mostly on the outer lash line. Now I'm just taking this other side of the brush, which is like a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to make sure the edges are blended well. Another thing that I like to do, no matter what eye look I'm doing, I like to pull the eyeshadow upwards like in this way. Remember how we had put our concealer like this? So yeah, that's how I like to blend my eyeshadow. It again lifts your face up, your eyes up, and it just looks super pretty. I'm gonna take the darkest brown and apply it on the lower lash line like so. Next, I'm taking this black kajal from MAC. It is a beautiful kajal, by the way, and I'm gonna just apply it on the outer lash line, like really on the outer side. Don't worry if it is messy, we are gonna smudge it anyway. I'm also applying the kajal in my waterline. You can take like a small brush if you have to blend, but I just like to use my fingers because the warmth of my fingers just blends it a lot more beautifully. You could totally go ahead and apply an eyeliner if you wanted, but I like to just keep it like this, so I'm not going to apply eyeliner, and anyway I'm not very good at applying eyeliner. So next I am going to go in with this almost broken eyelash curler. Yeah, after curling my eyelashes, I'm going to go in with this Bobbi Brown mascara. I really like it. It's like this mini size one and it's really good. Next is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. This is by Becca. It's called Champagne Pop. Look how cute it is. It's literally like the size of my palm, and my palm is like super small. So it's like really tiny, and it's a really pretty golden highlighter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, apply on. Look how pretty that is. Not to forget your eyebrow bone, I'm gonna apply a little bit here. And lastly, I'm applying a little bit in my inner corner. Dude, it's so pretty, I can't even. And I'm applying this MAC lipstick. It's in the shade Sword. So yeah. It's like a really pretty pink nude and I'm living for it. These are the pretty jhumkas that I'm gonna wear. These are my mom's actually. All the jewelry that I have is my mom's. I don't really like buying jewelry for some reason, but she loves it. So I just use it for my photo shoots and videos. Ow, ow, ow. So this is how it looks with the jhumkas on. I think it looks so pretty. So last but not the least, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus to just set everything in. And this is the final look. that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys enjoy such chill videos because it was a lot of fun making it. Also, if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should definitely go ahead and do that. I will be posting a lot of Diwali pictures and reels. I will be linking all the makeup products down in the description so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Also guys, have a safe Diwali and please do not burst crackers. I hope you guys have a wonderful celebration with your family, and yeah, just want to wish you guys a very happy Diwali and a lot of love. And I think now I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful. Bye bye.